basa-basa, ibang nakarecord doon. A file named Friends was next to one marked Friends ahead the trade. Walang natatago. The titles range from the mundane to the outright weird. The books I have read, lies I have told, things I've yelled at my brothers. Others couldn't laugh at. Things I have done in my anger. Things I have muttered under my breath at my prayers. Lahat naka-record. I never cease to be surprised by the contents. Lalo akong namangha, walang naisago. Often, there were many more cards than I expected. Mas marami pa yung nasulat kesa sa talagang alam ko o naaalala ko. Sometimes, fewer than I hope. Minsan naman, kukunti lang sa inaasahan ko. I was overwhelmed by the sheer volume of the life ahead. Namangha ako, napakarami kong nagawa over my entire life. Napakarami pala nito. Could it be possible that I had a time in my 20 years to write to each of these thousands or even millions of cards? But each card confirmed this truth. Bawat isa sa dinami-dami nito, confirmed the truth. Each was written in my own handwriting. Lahat ng nakitala ito, ito ay nakala sa sulat kamay ko. Each signed with my signature. Bawat isa, may counter-sign ko. Kaya hindi ko makakala. When I pulled out the file marked songs I had listened to, sa mga kantang na ito, listen, mga kabataan mahilig makinig sa walang kwentang kanta ng mundo. I realized the files glued to contain their contents. The cards were packed tightly, pero napakarami. Hindi mo matapos-tapos sa mga bilang. Dami na walang kwentang kantang kinanta ko ng mga mundo. And after 2 or 3 years, din mo, 2 to 3 years na napakalipis sa dami. Pero tinitignan mo yan, yung oras na ginugol mo sa pakikinig. Kaya ba usulit ito sa Panginoon? I hadn't found the end of the file. I shut it. Sinara ko na ito. Shame. Nahihiya ako. Not so much by the quality of music, but more by the vast amount of the file. Nahihiya ako sa dami ng oras na sinayang ko sa ganitong klaseng musika. Ganitong walang akwenta-kwenta ng pagkakabalaan. When I came to the file marked last 2 thoughts, nung makita ko yung file ng last 2 thoughts, mga marunong kaisipan na ginawa ko, I felt a chill run through my body. I pulled the file out inch by inch, not willing to test its size. Hindi matignan kung gano'ng kadami. Inisip ko masama. Inisip ko makamundo para sa aking kapwa. I cannot fathom the size of that. I shuddered at its detailed content. Nangilabot ako sa napakadetalyadong inisip ko sa aking kapwa. Sa pinagnasahan ko, I felt so sick. Narimarin ako. Sumasok ako. I felt sick to think that such a moment had been recorded. Nakakahiya. Ito pala yung record. And almost animal race broke me. Nagdalit ako. One thought dominated my mind. No one must ever see this cards. Parang dapat makakita nito. No one must ever see this room. I have to destroy them. In an instant crisis sa aking katuluhan, sa aking pagwawala. I yanked the file out. Hinugod ko. Pinit kong ginigiba. Its size didn't matter now. Walang kwenta kung mabigat siya, malaki. Didn't matter now. I had to destroy all these records of my file. I had to empty